Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I want to show you something super cool. We have ourselves a magnetic socket holder. As you can tell, it sticks pretty good to this metal bench right here. It can hold all sorts of sockets. We've got 19 millimeter all the way through, looks like 8 millimeter down here. This one's for the 3/8 drive. We also have them for other sets, and this is metric as well. We have them for standard as well. The sockets come out fairly easily. Just pull it out, use your 16 millimeter like you want, you're done with it. Slide it back in, easy to find. With that said, this looks like a really cool tool to have. I don't see any reason why I wouldn't want one. Maybe I do. Actually, I do. Anyway, if you need this or any other tool or part, you can check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.